Hello.
Hi. Hello. My car broke down a couple miles back and...
Oh, no.
Yeah, I was wondering if I could maybe use your phone.
Oh, Mark, this is, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Liam Bryson.
Mark Turner. Nice to meet you. It's my lovely wife, Olivia.
Oh, his car broke down and he wanted to use a phone.
That's no problem at all. Come on in.
Liam, were you having trouble getting service on your cell? I know it can be a little spotty out here.
Actually, it died. I thought I had enough juice for the GPS. It was a whole thing.
Oh, well, which one do you need?
That's really kind of you, but since it died, I just left it in the car.
Really? That's...
There's no need for third degree. Here. You can use mine.
Cool, thanks.
All right, let me help you with that.
No, really. I'm fine.
Nonsense, I got it. Now, you won't get any bars in the house. But if you walk up that little hill next to the coop, you should get some pretty good service.
The Grail is in custody.
Whoa, Liv, I don't think that's...
Don't live me. I'm not in the mood.
Holdy.
If you're gonna do it, just do it.
Don't rush me.
Hold, egress, indefinite. Damn it, Gemma!
No, Olivia.
What?
I can see it on your face.
Do you know what this is? How is your call?
Fine. I was able to get a signal, but no answer. Could you guys give me a ride to town?
Hold your horses there, partner. You had a long walk. You better have some water, at least. Or, you know what? Let me take care of this. Or a snack or something.
No, it's fine. I gotta get going.
You know what, Olivia? Why don't you make him a glass of your famous apple cider? Liam, I tell you, nothing will cool you off like a glass of Liv's apple cider.
Sure, that'd be okay. Then I gotta go.
He seem legit to you? He's super sketchy. I mean, his energy's all over the place. Man, he's got a roll. Are you saying you don't need the money?
Of course we need the money, but that's not how we do it. Taking off?
Already? You sure you don't want to stick around?
Yeah, you haven't even tried the apple cider yet.
You all have been very nice. I'm leaving. Dude, what are you doing?
You can't leave.
I can't what? Either you move or I'll...
just hit him in the head with a pitcher.
I'm sorry, what was I supposed to do? He was gonna walk out the door with the rest of our lives, our fortune in his hands? Unbelievable. Did you even tie these tight enough?
Of course I tied him tight enough.
He's gonna wake up and he is going to murder us.
Well, let's hope he wakes up.
I'm so sorry. We're not bad people, I promise. We really needed it.
Can't hear you. Come on, let's just go. Let's just go outside.
Thought he couldn't hear us.
Believe you did that, Liv. Why? Why did you do that?
At least I did something, okay? We have bills to pay, we have a house to provide. You know, listen, this is what we have to do, okay? This is just what we had to do.
That's not the way, though, Liv. You can't just go around hitting people with pitchers. Damn it.
Maybe you're right, Mark. Maybe you're right, I really screwed up. I'm a terrible person. I'm a horrible human being. I stole a painting from someone who also stole. This is horrible. This is bad. This is really bad.
Stop. You need to live. Stop. All right? I need you to trust me.
Okay.
We're in this together.
Yeah. I believe you.
I love you.
I love you too.
All right, let's just...
I don't know. I think we could go to Iceland or something. You've always wanted to see the Northern Lights.
Honey, we don't even know if he's... What? Damn it, Liv!